Hello friends, in today's video we're going to be changing a reverse light on this Honda Jazz, and it's the bulb here which we're going to be changing. Right, we're just going to take this cover off here to get to the reverse light bulb. Is it? What I'm going to do is I'm going to put my hand in on the holder and I'm going to twist it anti-clockwise to open it. As you can see, the motion is, see this, anti-clockwise. So you hold on to the holder with your fingers and then you twist it anti-clockwise to open it, and then you just pull it out. Okay, as I mentioned, I'm just gonna put my hand in, twist it anti-clockwise and pull it out. That's the reverse light bulb. It's a push width bulb which we're gonna replace. Okay, and this one is blown, so we're just gonna replace it with a new one. Okay, this is our new bulb. I'm just gonna fit it in, push it in. This is a push weight as I mentioned, and I just gonna, so you push it in. Yes, you got the grooves here, 4 grooves, so you line them grooves up and then you twist it clockwise to fit it. Okay, okay, so you push the holder in, line up the grooves, and then you twist it clockwise, and that's your reverse light bulb replaced. I'm just gonna place the cover back on. Okay, so this side goes in first and then you just press it, 2 and 3 presses, 1 2 3 clips in. Thank you very much for watching the video.